Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your spam folder and delete spam emails in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders so you can access everything you need. Once your inbox is loaded completely, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where your inbox pane is located. This is where all your emails and email folders are organized. Now look carefully through the list of folders until you find one labeled junk email. This is actually your spam folder, and it's where Outlook automatically sends any emails you flag as spam or that the system identifies as potentially unwanted. This folder acts as a safety net, keeping suspicious messages separate from your main inbox so they don't clutter your important communications. Now that you've located your junk email folder, go ahead and click on it to open it. This will display all the emails currently marked as spam. You'll be able to see the full list of messages that have been filtered out, giving you a chance to review them before permanently deleting anything. This step is important because occasionally legitimate emails might end up here by mistake, so it's always worth a quick look. To delete a spam email, simply click on the message you want to remove to select it. Once it's highlighted, right-click on the selected email. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that message. From this menu, locate and click on the delete option. As soon as you do this, the spam email will be permanently removed from your junk email folder, helping you keep your Outlook account clean and organized. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found your spam folder and learned how to delete unwanted emails from it in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.